Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send a BACS payment using Barclays in 2025. If you're in the UK and need to make a secure bank transfer, BACS is your go-to option. It's fast, reliable, and widely used for things like paying bills or sending money to friends. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to do it yourself. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have the latest Barclays app on your phone or access to their online banking website. Security is key, so always use a strong password and two-factor authentication. Once you're logged in, head to the main dashboard and look for the Payments or Transfers section. It's usually front and center for easy access. Step 1. Select Make a Payment and choose BACS from the available options. In 2025, Barclays has streamlined this process, so you might see updated interfaces with helpful prompts. Don't worry, it's user-friendly. Step 2. Enter the recipient's details. You'll need their sort code, account number, the amount you're sending, and a reference for the payment, like rent payment or gift. Double-check everything here to avoid any hiccups. A simple typo could delay things. Step 3. Review your payment summary. Barclays will show you a breakdown, including any fees, though BACS is often free for most transfers. If everything looks good, hit Confirm. You might get a security code sent to your phone for extra protection. Once submitted, your BACS payment will typically process within 3 working days, but always check the app for updates. That's it. You've just sent a BACS payment like a pro. A quick tip. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more banking hacks. See you in the next video.